In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a form in Zoho Creator. Whether you're looking to clean up your workspace or remove unwanted forms, I'll guide you through the process step by step, ensuring everything is clear and easy to understand. First things first, let's make sure we're in the right place. You're going to want to log into your Zoho Creator account. Once you're in, you'll see several options on the left side of your screen, such as Application, Microservices, Environments, and others. These options are part of the main navigation where you can access different components and features of Zoho Creator. However, for the purpose of deleting a form, we'll focus on the Applications section. Click on the Application option, which will direct you to the list of applications you have created within Zoho Creator. These applications are essentially unique projects, each potentially containing multiple forms, reports, workflows, and other elements. You'll need to select the application that contains the form you wish to delete. Once you've located and selected the appropriate application, a new set of options or a left-hand menu specific to that application will appear. In this menu, you'll find different elements related to your application, such as forms, reports, pages, and workflows. Now, since our goal is to delete a form, let's click on Forms. This will display all the forms that are part of the selected application. You should now see a list of all the forms that you've created under this particular project. Locate the form you wish to delete. This might involve scrolling or searching if you have many forms. Once you find it, click on it to select it. With the form selected, look for an option or icon that signifies settings or actions. Typically, in Zoho Creator, you will find a gear icon or 3 dots, commonly known as More Options. Click on this, and you'll see a list of actions or options you can perform on the form. Here, you will find the option to delete the form. Before clicking Delete, keep in mind that deleting a form is permanent. This means all data and entries associated with this form will be lost unless they've been backed up elsewhere. Zoho Creator might even prompt you to confirm this action, as a safeguard measure to prevent accidental deletions. Make sure you really want to remove the form before proceeding. After you've double-checked that this is what you want to do, go ahead and confirm the deletion. The form will be removed from your application. And there you have it. Your form is successfully deleted from Zoho Creator. This process allows you to manage your workspace effectively by removing outdated or unnecessary forms. Remember, tidying up your app space not only helps in better organization, but also makes future navigation simpler. Thanks for watching and staying organized with Zoho Creator.